Hello, I'm Jerome Bruno, Vivo 15CS 199. Today I'm going to explain about the user-defined function in shell scripting. For that I'm going to explain about two programs. Basically, one is about grading, putting grading for students, and another thing is about library management. And here is the first program about grading system. But first, what I have given is get details, and then echo enter student's name and enter register number, enter mark 1, mark 2, mark 3 for student 1. Actually student I, so instead of one student I have given I, so that the number of students can be added according to the user. And here everything has been used by read. Then using calculate total $I, whether this value of I equal to echo $mark value of mark $I of mark 1 and mark I of I value of I student entered by user of mark 2 of mark 3. Then average of I equal to total SI by 3, because we are giving 3 marks. And again average greater than 90, then we are grading A, then 80 B, 70 C, 60 D, 50 E, then fail. Okay, now this is for grading marks have been available. Then let's see display. Our program is done. For displaying the last thing, we are coming here main program. First echo E $name SI $s register number, mark 1, mark 3, mark 2, mark 3, and total average grade. This one will be for displaying output. These things will be mark, name, register number, mark, everything will be displayed as it is on the output. And then echo enters the number of the students, and this thing will be given at the first, asked as the first, and read n. And for I in sequence $n, do get details done. For I in sequence 1 $n, which value of n as I told, do calculate done. For do calculate means we are giving the function do calculate, so calculate function will be going over here, and everything will be done, and after that it will be the value will be presented over here for this mark, registration, everything. And so the output has been done. Now let's see for the output. Okay, enter the number of students. I am giving 2 students. Enter student name, let's give some GRE. Enter student number and okay, mark. Okay, enter student second student name. For I am giving something black, and register number, enter mark 1. Okay, as you see, both got C grades because it is above 70 total, that is the average. And then this is my output. Now for our second program, it's about library management. In library management we got first I equal to 0, flag equal to 0, I have initialized everything, and then add book function I have used. In the function I have declared enter book name, and I am getting displaying statement, enter book name, enter book author, enter book ID, enter book publisher, and enter number of books available. And after the user enters all the details, I will be getting them using read function, and it will be stored in b name, b auth, b id, b public, and b number, b publisher, everything. And I have used I for the user to be enter a number of items. Then b avail I equal to then I will be incremented. This is for add book function, which I have been done over here. And for here display book, this is the main thing. Here will be displaying book echo and list of all books I will be giving. Then here for j equal to 0, j greater than j less than I, then j will be incremented. That means do if the loop is controlled, then do echo book id, bed id. The number will be getting the number at first the 0, the j value will be this one. If the j value is the less than the number entered by the user, then it will be asking for it will allow the user to enter the details for this book id, book name, author, publisher, availability, and it will get everything over here. And then after it is done, then it is for search book. In the search book, this is the second function, that is for entering a book. This is for searching a book. For searching a book, user have to enter a book id. If the book id matches with that j which is already inside the database, and then it will check with the book id. If it is matches, then it will say book found, and book id, book name, author, everything will be given over here. If not, it will ask for other things, and at last if not even that match, then again it will show book not found. At last, then the next function will be lend book. That I am initializing flag will be 0, then echo enter book id. Here also we are using the book id. If the book id matches with that thing, then again it will show thank you for lending. If the book id is not matches, book not available, it will be showing. Then again, actually while the availability, they will check for the number of books, number of publishers the available. The availability, if it is 0, then they will show book not available. Then again, therefore this is for lending a book. Now this is for returning a book. Here also we will use the book id because it is unique for every book. And again, here enter the book id to be returned. The user will enter the book id. That book id will be checked. If the book id is not matched, then it will say book is already returned or nothing. If the book id is matching, then thank you for returning the book. A statement will be displayed over the patient. Now we have seen 5 functions I have already declared over here. Now there will be options for the main menu. While I echo add book, echo using a echo function, I am declaring the statements, declaring choices, 5 choices for the user to choose a choice, and then use the program. Add book, search book, lend book, display book, return book, enter your choice. This is the statement. While the user enter one of these 5 choices, then at the first choice it will say read choice, and then the choice will be add book, means it will go. Otherwise it will follow the function for every choice which I already opened over here. Otherwise it will show the statement invalid choice. Now this is my program. Let's see about output. Yeah, okay, I'm choosing option 1 and enter book name. For that I'm giving something like 2 states. Book author Ravinder Singh. The book id, some number randomly I'm giving. For book publisher I'm giving my own name. Again, number of books available. Let's put around 6 is enough. That's all. Now let's see if I entered the books, the details which I have entered. I have already entered the books section. which will be seen by display book. For that I am entering again 4th choice. See, list of all books, what are the ID, states, availability, everything has been displayed. So the program has been concluded. I hope you understand. Thank you.